Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life. So in this video today, we have a collaboration and it's a Christmas in July series and it's called Christmas Exclusive Decor Club and that's hosted by Glam Elegant Living. So the co-hostesses of this collab is the main host, Glam Elegant Living, that's Lady Phoenix. We also have JRC Restoration Decor and Design. We have the Rodgers House, Sister Cousins Lifestyle, Buckeye Girls Wreaths and Things, a Happy Hoarder, Creations by Simone, and the Grace Life DIY Home Decor. That's me. I'm going to be linking the host channel and the co-hostesses down below along with the playlist. So all that we ask is that you full watch the videos and subscribe to our channels and then head on over to the playlist so that you can get an idea on how to decorate for your holiday season. So now heading over to the video, here you're going to see me decorating two thrifted vases, and I cannot wait for you to see one. This one here is a taller one, and we're doing this one in black. The shorter one we're going to be doing in white. So I can't wait for you to see how we Now here you see me using a bling chain, and so what I'm gonna do is we're gonna cut 3 different size strips for the front side of the vase and 3 different size strips for the back of the vase. And we're gonna do that for both vases. And I hope you liked the video. If you did, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I chose to display these beautiful vases. I hope you enjoy it.